Someone asked me, what's the difference between a technician and a mechanic? At first, I wasn't entirely sure that there was a difference. But then I thought about it, and I think to me, the real difference is the technician is somebody that shows up confident, competent, smartly dressed with a uniform, clean and businesslike. They look professional. They're ready to go to town and fix your system. The mechanic's a guy that shows up in really dirty coveralls with dirty hands, grease dripping off of him. His shoes are dirty because he's just been walking on the roof, and he's going to walk over your new carpet or your new parka flooring with his dirty tar-stained roof-stained shoes or boots and leave marks all over the floor. That is, I think, one of the differences between a mechanic and a technician. And I'm talking about air conditioning mechanics and technicians. But basically, a technician is somebody who has the skills and ability to be able to solve your problem.